Here is how to make your Instagram private after making it a business. Let's say if you have a business account, now you need to change it to private. And let's see how that could be. And here, click on this little profile icon, go to top three lines, scroll down, you can find account privacy. From here, you can switch it to private account. Click on switch to private. And see, it is telling that business account can't be private directly. So first you need to switch it to personal account, and then after changing it to personal you can change it to private. So let's go for changing into personal account. Scroll top, you can see business tools and controls, switch. Here you can find switch account type. From here you can switch it to personal account. Switch to personal account, it is switching. So yes, it is switched to personal account. So again, go to account privacy. Now you can switch it to private account. See, it has been changed to private account.